the Firestorm indicators work with futures? Absolutely yes. And as you can see right up here, we're showing a 91% accuracy of hitting take profit 1, 52% of hitting take profit 2, or 58% of hitting take profit 2, sorry. So with that being said, in our settings, it is fully customizable. You can adjust the take profit targets as big or as small as you want. We have 5 different AI settings that will project the stop loss entry, take profit 1 and take profit 2 for you. And everything is set up in our step-by-step training, and you can get the Firestorm indicators for $49 a month. So they are not crazy expensive, but they are very high accuracy. We are actually still currently the only company on the market that shows you a live accuracy meter with our indicators, which I honestly thought other companies would come out with something like that, but they have not. And we are going almost 4 years strong now. And for the past almost 4 years, we have been since day one with an accuracy meter showing you stop loss entry, take profit 1 and 2, and it doesn't disappear. So you can back test our indicators, just like I'm going to be showing you here. You can back test our indicators and look at each and every previous trade so you can see and become confident with using them in a very short period of time. So down here, if you're wondering, this is Firestorm Momentum. This is a combination of 28 most popular strategies on the market that you would see on YouTube, on other people's websites. It also goes over an order flow footprint, specific order flow footprint strategy that you might have seen out there that was advertised. We broke down that entire strategy and actually inputted it right in to the Firestorm Momentum. So if you're wondering what Firestorm Thor is, Firestorm Thor is this indicator right here. It's one of the 5 indicators that you will be getting in the package, and they all work on futures. So you can use these indicators for futures, forex, stocks, binary options, stock options, whatever you want, any chart, even cryptocurrency. You can use these indicators for that, and it will provide you with that live accuracy meter. So with that being said, as you can see, we're on NQ and we are on the 30-minute chart, and we are just, if you had a trailing stop loss, you would have been profiting each and every time. And then today, as you can see, today is July 11th, and we had the big news come in this morning at 8:30 a.m. and it caught that drop on the 30-minute chart. It also caught the drop on the lower time frames as well. So let's go down to the lower time frames. We have step-by-step training on how you can look at these indicators and how you can get the highest accuracy possible. So even though this says 92% up here, you literally could be getting a 98%, because with our strategy that we created with these indicators, this is just the signal alone. This isn't including Firestorm Momentum and the other knowledge that we teach inside of our step-by-step course community that you will be a part of when you join. So here we are going back a little bit more and showing you that obviously we are just seeing profitable trades one after another on the 15-minute chart. Here's the 10-minute chart. We got those beautiful sells. So if you're somebody that likes to trade on a lower time frame and not on the higher time frames, here's 10-minute chart for you showing an 89% accuracy. As you can see, the accuracy changes on each chart because it updates and goes and does a back test all the way back. So here's 10-minute chart. We had a beautiful signal right here for a sell today. We had a previous buy signal that was great. And you can get these to alert your phone. So when they alert your phone, they'll alert your phone with the stop loss, entry, take profit 1, and take profit 2. And we had another beautiful signal here. And quite a few more. And just to be transparent with you all, here is a loss that happened here. Unfortunately, that does happen. But you could also mitigate this completely and not fall for this if you follow the rest of our strategy that's in our step-by-step training. So we make it a very simple, very beginner-friendly strategy and training. So if you're somebody that has zero knowledge when it comes down to even Forex or binary options, we teach you completely from scratch on how you can go from a very small $10 account to whatever size account you could possibly think of using our strategies. With that being said, here we are on the 5-minute chart. The accuracy, of course, did go down because it's much faster, way more volatile. And we have a strategy that works great on the 5-minute chart that we teach you about in the training, which will make that accuracy come back up into the 90s again for you. So with that being said, here's some trades here. This one hit take profit 2. This one hit take profit 1 and then came back down. But if you trailed your stop loss, you would have been golden there. And then we have a couple more signals that happened. And there you go. So as you can see, this is what it's like using the Firestorm indicators on futures. You can use it on any stock that you want to, any futures chart that you want to. So hopefully this video gave you all the information that you need to get started. Like I said, it is $49 a month right now. We are running a promo for a very, very limited time. If you get in during that promo, you are grandfathered in at that pricing. And if you have any questions, you can contact us at Firestorm Academy on Instagram or firestormacademy.com at our live chat down in the bottom right hand corner. So looking forward to seeing you on the other side. There is a course community when you get started as well with a Telegram group. And if you have any questions, you can contact us on Eastern Standard Time. So if you message us and it's the middle of the night for us, we will get back to you first thing in the morning. Just note that we are in the United States and we run on Eastern Standard Time. We are definitely not ignoring you. We have some people that contact us from Australia, Germany, all different places, and they think that we're ignoring them, but we're definitely not. We get back to you first thing in the morning. So just because we didn't have an instant response, do the time conversion for you for your end, and you'll be able to see that it's like probably 2 o'clock in the morning where we are. So we're definitely not ignoring you. We get back to everybody as fast as we possibly can, and looking forward to seeing you on the other side and having you a part of Firestorm Academy.